our boy behind on the left.
I think they put farmer cushions. Cushions, yeah. Put the money on the side of my back. They've got enough cushions there for it.
For the next 2 days, I'm going to use it to beat stick with. If you got anything to say for yourself, here's your time to shine right now.
Looking for tracks by the spring, eh?
Track for what?
For elephant and buffalo, but mainly elephant bulls.
Excellent.
I don't know whether you put it on one or not.
And then we have a trick bite or something and we're going to disappear. Got the Sangwa River flag below us and we're looking for elephants, but we found a herd of buffalo sleeping in the river there and some waterbuck down there, so we're just trying to decide what we want to do. We've been asked to shoot a buffalo cow for meat, so we're going to do that. And we also want to shoot a waterbuck as a trophy, so we're just going to see which is the best option and then we'll go from there.
Big fun, huh? It must have went straight down, huh?
Now my ears are gone.
Good job, Dave.
Thank you very much.
That's your first one completely on your own. No one else shooting, just you. Yeah. Awesome. Is this thing not the machine? Or what? No?
How'd you like shooting it? What'd it feel like?
Nah, it's more of a push. Your 375 will smack you more than good first shot too.
Yeah. Were the nerves up a little bit, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had quite the audience.
Yeah, and you do know this is going to be all over YouTube. You're going to be worldwide famous now. Yeah, way to go, man. That's exciting.
Just to tell everyone what we're doing here. National parks have requested some meat, and they have a quota. It's not like it's an open season deal. They got a couple of buffalo on quota, and instead of them doing it, they allow us to do it, and it's a way of training our young guys like Dean, give them the experience of shooting big game. It's just all part of the process of getting the license, so it's always a lot of fun. And we've got one more to go this afternoon, and that's for Mr. Delozier to sort of.
Yeah.
Do you want your shells?
No, you can keep them.
Okay.
It's kind of neat to keep your first time you ever shot a double, you know.
No, those doubles are nice.
That is the ultimate machine right there.
What are we doing?
Trying to find the elephant.
There you go.
Got back from looking at all those ellies, all excited, with no big bulls. Very unlucky.
There you go, Bob. The best day of elephant I've ever had in my life. I didn't even have to fire the triggers.
But isn't that just the most incredible situation to be in? I mean, we had over 100 elephants there, a minimum of 30 bulls.
Yeah.
That one bull, if it wasn't broken off, we would have shot him. But
Yeah, heavy.
Yeah, that was incredible. We've had an awesome morning. We came to one of the few waterholes that we haven't checked, and decided to leave the car and walk in just to see what was there. Wrong time of the day, really. I mean, it was only 8:30 when we started walking, but we thought, we'll just go check it. And we saw, we heard these elephants went up on a ridge and then approached it and got about 30-40 yards from them, and over 100 elephants. It was quite amazing.
The boys, they wanted to shoot one, didn't you? I know Albert's disappointed.
One of the dilemmas of elephants is a piece of ivory we just picked up on the ground. By law, we've got to turn it into national parks, which we will do. But they fight and stuff, and they hit each other, and they just break the ivory off. But it's always, it's like finding a piece of gold in the ground.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Fortunately, we've got to turn it in, but it would be nice to put in your suitcase.
Yeah. Albert's the only one that came out of the woods with something today.